Okay, so hello all. In this video, we are going to see directory methods in file handling. So, different directory methods are available in Python language. Those directory methods are used to make the manipulations in directory, or it may be used to do the different movements related to directory, like open a directory, change the directory, create the directory. Okay, so before that, what is exactly directory? So directory is a collection of files, maybe of different format. Okay, so it is nothing but a folder in which different files are stored. Okay, and this location where that file is stored are called as directory. Okay, so to make the movements related to directory, different methods are available. So those methods are mkdir, getcwd, chdir and rmdir. So these four methods are used in a directory to make the movements like creating a directory, deleting, checking the location of directory, and likewise. Okay, so we'll see the execution of every method. Before that, we'll discuss what is exactly it means and what is the syntax of using that directory methods. So getcwd method. So what is getcwd? It is a method of OS module which is used to display the current working directory. Okay, directory is, we also called it as a folder. Okay, so it is used to display the current location of your system. Okay, so if you are executing a file, so on which platform or at which location it is currently being executing the particular operating system OS module. So that is nothing but the current location of your platform or current working directory. Okay, so to know about that, we can use this method. Now to use the method, the syntax used is OS. OS is a Python module in which these methods are available. Okay, and in prior sections we have seen that to use the methods from module, we need to import the respective module. Okay, so after importing OS module, we can use this method as os.getcwd. Okay, so this is the syntax of method. Okay, now we'll see how to execute it. So for the execution of this method, okay, we have to first import the OS module. So we'll write import OS. Okay, and then we want to display the current working directory. So we'll write os.getcwd, which is the method name, parenthesis. Okay, and it will return one value which we want to display. Okay, so we'll write print, and in print we'll directly put this method call. Okay, so what it will do when we'll execute this code, you can see it will display the current location of this platform which we are executing. Okay, so currently we are creating our files or our code on this platform C drive users admin. Okay, so this is the method which is get. C is current working directory, which is used to find out current location of system. Okay, now what is the next method? It is chdir. Okay, now why chdir method is used? Ch is the change, dir is the directory, change directory. Okay, so if I don't want to work on the default path which is given, I want to change the directory and I want to work on my own folder which is created or some other folder, then we can use this command to change the location of system. Okay, so to change that directory, will you call that method again using OS module. Okay, so the syntax is os.chdr in bracket directory name. Okay, so we'll try to execute on this platform. Okay, again we have to import the OS module. Then we are going to call the method. So that method name is chdir. Okay, so before that we should know which folders are available at this location. Okay, which is C users admin. Okay, so if we'll go to the location C users admin, so these many folders are available. So let's suppose we want to move towards the desktop. Okay, so to do that, we have to write the method as os dot method name chdr in bracket quotations. So we are using this quotation and we'll put the name to which we want to move from current location to that location. Okay. So we want to move from current admin location to the next hierarchy, which is the desktop folder. So we'll write the folder name, which is desktop. Okay. So it will move from admin to desktop. Okay. Make sure that as you are moving from admin to desktop, so desktop should be the part of admin folder. So this hierarchy should be followed so that it can easily move from current location to desktop location. Otherwise, if some other hierarchy is there, you have to write whole path from root directory to that respective directory. Okay. So as soon as we execute that code, it executes properly, and to cross verify does our directory changed or not, again we'll execute the command as get cwd. To execute it, again we'll write print os dot get cwd. Okay, we have to import this module, but as I have imported it prior, so I can skip it in this platform. But if it is a new cell or new file which I am creating, in that case I have to write the first line as the import os. Okay, so if I'll execute this, you can see right now, okay, method parentheses are missing. So if I'll execute this code, okay, so it is displaying right now the location is admin desktop. Okay, priorly it was C users admin, now it is C users admin desktop. That means because of this chdir desktop, our location has been changed from admin to desktop. Okay, so we have seen two methods. First one is get cwd, which is used to identify the current working directory, and the second one is chdir, which is used to find out, which is used to change the directory from current to some other place. Okay. Now after that, next two methods are for creating and deleting the directory. Okay. So the method is mkdir, which is nothing but make directory. Okay, used to create a new directory at a current location. Okay. Now to execute this directory, method is os.mkdir. In bracket we are going to put in quotation new directory name. It should not be priorly available in at the same place. Okay, so we have to put the new directory name with the help of this make directory method. Okay, now how to execute this method? For that we'll see the execution, and parallelly we'll look after the executing locations. Okay, so desktop is nothing but this place where we are trying to create the directory. Okay, so to execute the directory we have to import the module, so we'll write import os. Then next we have to call the directory method, which is mkdir. So we'll write os.mkdir. Okay, brackets quotation, we have to write the new folder name which is priorly not available at this place. So let's suppose we'll write pps. Okay, and then we'll run this code. Okay, as soon as we'll run this code, you can observe here the folder with the name pps is created. Okay, so mkdir is used to create folder at specified location. So as our specified location is desktop right now, that's why it is creating the folder at desktop location. Okay, now the next method is nothing but rmdir method. Now rmdir method is used to remove the directory. Rm is nothing but remove dir directory. Okay, just one condition is there for this method, that you should first make your directory empty, then and then only we can use this method to remove the directory. Okay, so we have to clear all the data from directory first, and then we can use the method to remove the or delete the folder from current location. Okay, now to remove the directory, syntax is used. Similarly, we have to use the module name os.rmdir in bracket double quotes the directory name which we want to remove right now. Okay, remember condition is that directory should be empty directory. Okay, so now we'll see how to delete the same directory which we have created right now. So we have to first import the module, import os. Okay, and we'll simply write os.rmdir. So in bracket double quotations we'll write pps. Okay, and then we'll execute the code. Now and we will execute the code. You can observe that PPS folder is not available at this place right now. Okay. So RMDIR method is used to remove the directory or delete the directory from the location where we are executing that particular command. Okay. So these are the simple commands which can be used in OS module. Okay. To use those commands, we have to simply import the OS module, and we can call that method just by writing os.method name. Okay. And while executing that particular methods, just we have to cross verify which location which currently we are using to observe the changes. Okay. So I hope you understood the all 4 methods. These are very simple methods which is used in the directory in Python language. Okay. Thank you.